Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. Today is Friday, November 8, 2019. First of all, I want to say sorry that I cannot be in class with you guys today. I will be on campus, but I won't be in class. I will be in the meeting next door. Alright, please keep my classroom nice, neat, and clean. If you get an A from the sub, you will have a candy on Tuesday. Alright. Agenda for today, we're going to go over Quizette Day 5. If you have been absent any day during this week, please copy it from someone, the Quizette that you missed. And also stand on task, write down the Quizette on Day 5. We're going to turn this in today. Alright, and the second part is the 3D project part 1. So this project going to break down in 3 days. Part 1 is today. We're going to design the name on a graphing paper. So by the end of this period, I need you upload the picture of your work, even it's not done yet, even it's just the first draft. You can change it later on. When you go home, you have more time, you can do it. For right now, I need the proof that you stay on task and you do what I ask you to do. Alright, if you don't submit your picture on Google Classroom by the end of the day, you will lose 10 points. That's it. Alright, Quizette Day 5. Okay, Quizette Day 5, we're gonna graph a linear equation by 3 different ways. Problem 1, we're gonna use X and Y value table. So you're gonna draw X and Y value table. Choose any number for X. I'm gonna choose 0, 2, 4. Okay, instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, I choose 0, 2, 4. The reason is we have fraction. So if you choose the number that divisible by 2, it's going to be easier to calculate. So here's the first plugin. Y equal to 1/2 times 0 minus 3. 1/2 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 is negative 3. So 0, negative 3 is my first point. Then we plug in 2. Y equal to 1/2 times 2 minus 3. That is 2 is 2 over 1. We multiply straight across. So that will give you 2 over 2 minus 3. 2 over 2 is 1 minus 3 give you negative 2. So 2, negative 2 is my second point. Then we plug in 4. So we have y equal to 1/2 times 4 minus 3, which is 4 over 1. You multiply straight across. That will give you 4 over 2 minus 3. That would be 2 minus 3. That would be negative 1. Alright, our first point, 0, negative 3. Down here, 2, negative 2. 2, negative 2 over here, and 4, negative 1 over 4 down 1. Then we draw the line, go through that 3 points. And that's it for problem 1. Now problem 2, we're going to graph by using intercepts. We have 2 intercepts, X intercept and Y intercept. To solve for X intercept, you're going to set y equal to 0. Okay, 2y equal to x minus 4. And y is 0. So we're going to replace y by 0. 2 times 0 is 0, equal to x minus 4. To get x by itself, you're going to add 4 on both sides. So that will give you 4 equal to x. To write this in x and y order pair, you're going to plug in x is 4 and y is 0. Because we choose y as 0 from the beginning, and corresponding x after you plug in 0 is 4. Sorry, it's right here. So 4 is 0. It's going to be right here, 4 is 0. now we're gonna do is solve for y-intercept. X-intercept y 0, y-intercept x equal to 0. So 2y equal to x minus 4. When x is 0, that will be 0 minus 4. That will give you 2y equal to negative 4. And we divide by 2 on both sides. We have y equal to negative 2. The point will be x is 0, y is negative 2. So 0, negative 2. Then we draw the line, go through that 2 points. And that's it for number 2. Number 3 is the last one. Graph y equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3 by using slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form, y equal to mx plus b. So that will let you know that your m is negative 1/2. M equal to negative 1/2. And b is 3. B also represent the y-intercept. And b is a short way of writing beginning. Okay, we're gonna begin at b is 3 on the y-axis, and then the slope is negative 1/2. Tell you to go down 1 and sideways 2, down 1, sideways 2, down 1, sideways 2, down 1 and sideways 2. Then we draw the line, go through those 4 points. Alright, that's it. Alright, if you need more time to copy it down, go ahead, pause the video. When you're done, go ahead, turn in your quizette. Make sure you keep my classroom nice, clean, and neat. And on the next projects, 3D projects, you will need a graphing paper and a 3D model part 1 handout. You may have more than 1 graphing paper if you need 2. Maximum is 3. Okay. Please, the first graph paper, follow me on the board and copy down what I have, so at least you understand what's going on. And then for the rest of the period, you can design your name after that. Alright, thank you everyone for watching, and see you in the next video about the project. And again, which means I have the video on YouTube, which means that you can continue do it at home if you want to change your first draft. If you want to design something differently with the first one, it's okay. Make sure you give me the picture of your first draft today. Alright everyone, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.